Looking for the best monitor mount? Today we're comparing two top brands, Huanuo and North Bayou. I've tested both brands for months. Here is what you need to know before buying your next monitor arm. Huanuo stands out for its heavy-duty build quality. Their mounts use massive double springs instead of basic set screws. This means your monitor stays exactly where you put it. Users trust Huanuo with expensive monitors, including $1,300 OLED displays. The brand offers single, dual, and triple monitor setups. Weight capacity goes up to 19.8 pounds per arm. The 13-inch height adjustment column is perfect for reducing neck strain. Cable management is built in and keeps your desk clean. Installation is straightforward with clear instruction. North Bayou focuses on precise gas spring technology. Their FAT model makes adjusting monitors super easy with smooth swivel action. The brand covers monitors from 17 to 45 inches depending on the model. You get 360-degree rotation and tilting from plus 85 to minus 30 degrees. Weight capacity ranges from 4.4 to 33 pounds based on the model. North Bayou has been around longer and offers more budget-friendly options. Their mounts work well for standard office setups. Build quality. Huanuo wins with stronger construction. Price. North Bayou offers better value for basic needs. Adjustability. Both brands provide excellent range of motion. Weight capacity. Huanuo handles heavier monitors better. Installation. Both are user-friendly. Choose Huanuo if you have expensive monitors or need maximum stability. Pick North Bayou for budget-conscious buyers who want solid performance without premium features. Check the description for links to both brands. Subscribe for more tech comparisons. Which mount are you choosing? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.